Hey guys, welcome back to my new channel, Miss Event Planner, formerly the Makeover Mom. Today I'm going to be bringing you guys along with me to work. A lot of you guys have been requesting to see the behind the scenes, so here it is. Make sure to subscribe and like if you like this video. So if you guys don't already know, I run a children's event planning and entertainment business based out of Los Angeles, California. I actually do work with my staff, so you will see me in uniform as well. I'm not all dolled up. I work too. I work. So if you guys are always wondering why you guys aren't getting any film, it's because I actually do work my events. I don't just tell people what to do. As nice as that sounds. Shout out to my lovely workers. Both of these girls have been with me forever. One is actually my sister-in-law, and she's actually pregnant, okay? She is pregos right now, and she doesn't want to stop working, and I'm not going to discriminate, so we just make sure she doesn't carry heavy stuff, and she just does what she does best. As you guys can see, it is getting very hot. I think it ended up being in the upper 90s. We had no shade. Sometimes we do, sometimes we don't. We have to go with what the client provides, and we were outside for this one, so you'll see we are getting hot. You can tell on the girls' faces, but they thugged through it and we got it done. So that was it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing a little bit of the behind the scenes of how I put together an event or how we set up for an event. Please let me know if you guys have any questions below. Let me know if you guys like this kind of video. It can be really hard to try to tape and put on an event at the same time, but I did my best, so I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Also, let me know if you guys would be interested if I made some sort of course for you guys. I'm thinking of having one done by the end of the summer. If you guys would be interested, make sure to leave a comment below and let me know. If you guys want to hang around with me a little bit more, make sure to check out my blog and my website at misseventplanner.com. I post a lot of things over there, and also on my Instagram you're going to see a lot of behind the scenes of work that I'm doing inside my office and when I go to the events that I don't post anywhere else. So make sure you go follow me on IG at miss.eventplanner.